welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Hope you share the link. Hope you share the link. You can send. You send. Have you sent it? Send your listening. Let's just share this live, so that people will join. Will participate in what is going on here because we have very important information to dish out there. To our people, to our followers. To benefit from it. Our last live session, we you know we do analysis on one of the main coin built on Molea blockchain, and
Yeah.
it, you were there when the woman sent the contract address. We research and we send them information on how to buy the coin, and you know they make cool money. They make cool money from it, and that's the kind of information we are still going to give today. Have you sent it? That's the kind of information we are going to give today.
If I have to send, can we continue? If I have to send it, I have to go out the way I go. I would the way I went out the other time.
All right, all right, all right. Don't worry. All right, don't worry. Um, Hold on. So, bro, you can if you have something to say, be saying what you need to. You can introduce yourself to people, yeah, so that they will know who you are, and then from there we take it from there. We take it up from there.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Or this afternoon. Well, in the crypto world, it's always morning. All
Yeah,
right. So, all
sure.
right. So we talked about some project the other time. If you join us, that was days ago. We I think we analyze BGB and other. We talk about the history of Bitcoin, and in terms of we are talking of assets that we can hold for long term, assets that have good future, and then we talk about someone you can do for big boys, those that want to, those that earn Bitcoin from dollars, those that bought Bitcoin in $50, some bought at $100, some bought at 200, some bought at 500. So so when Bitcoin hit, I think $1,000, some people sold. They felt that was all. You understand? They were like, yes, yeah, I've hit the jackpot. When it got to 2,000, people sold. So some people are still holding till today, over $100,000. All right. So now that it is out of grasp for some people to buy it, we come here to still talk about some potential tokens that can still perform in that respect. Tokens that have good liquidity and tokens that have future, that they have use cases, because as it's going, use cases are the things that make coins, and that make coin to work fine. So we talk about these things on this channel. So that's part of what we talk about today. But today we are talking about, I think we are doing some market updates, and probably we delve into some analysis too, probably if our conversation goes in that direction. But now we have some important information that could, yield good money. It's all about money too, right? So that is it.
All right. So, have you introduced yourself to them? Your
Um,
name.
my name is my name is Azaya Azi Crypto, right? Azi Crypto Empire.
All right. So what's your Twitter handle so that if they want to follow you, they will follow you, because in the crypto space, when you are dishing out quality information, giving out signals that help people to make money, what they do is they go there to follow you. So that's what we do in the crypto space is community. So from there, we have community and stuff like that. So you can just give your handle, so they can go there and follow you before we proceed in sharing the most important thing that we need to share. Guys, please hold on, stay on this slide because we have, very important information we are going to give to you. Like I said before, our last live session, a lot of people make money from this live session because there was airdrop. I mean, there was, information that got to us whereby we share on the live here. and a lot of people make money from it. We take you guys step by step on how they can go about that and they make money from it. So please stay here. The same thing you're gonna get. So proceed. Your handle.
So my handle is Azzy Crypto on Twitter. At Azzy Crypto. Azaya. That's Azzy AZZY Crypto. That's all. Find it. You find it. You find the jackpot. My account is a jackpot. Once you find my account, you find a jackpot, man.
Right.
Jackpot of mine.
Little small. All right. So that's cool. Okay, so let's proceed a little bit. I'm trying to share this live at the same time to see, to create awareness so that other people will also join this live session and benefit from the good news that we are going to share. The reason I'm sharing this is very, very simple. If you check Pump at Perform, DOGE, and XRP, currently people are trading XRP, right? People are trading people are trading Doge, people are investing in this coin, and all of a sudden we just see pump at perform these two coins, and I found out the reason why this happened, and that is the reason why I'm here to give you guys this information, right? And before we proceed, or I proceed personally, wait, hold on, guys, I'm coming. Yeah. Um, let me open my wallet. You can open your analysis. So if anyone here, any analysis that I'm doing here is not accurate, is not correct, you can see it from there, right? You can see it from there,
All right.
right?
All right.
First thing we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. We are going to discuss about Pump, which is the coin that is outperforming XRP and what
Pump pump
XRP.
dot
Sorry.
pump dot fund token, right? That's pump.
Yeah. Yes. Pump.fun token. And we're also gonna talk about World Liberty Finance, right? The Trump family project that just got listed, that a lot of people are getting into it, right? So
Yeah.
hold on, give me 1 minute.
Okay. World Liberty Finance. It's a token that I think have a future, but I think they sold, and after they sold, they have issues with Justin Sun. They sold a lot, and it's not actually performing as expected. It's not performing as expected.
Okay, so I'm back. I'm back.
All right, I was talking about World Liberty Finance.
Yes. Okay, so let's check. I'm coming. Okay, so let's first check on Pump, right? So if you check now, Pump is currently pumping. And guys, I'm checking this. I'm analyzing this on what they call trading view, right? Trading view, using kucoin, right? Using kucoin. And if this is your first time, if you are hearing KuCoin for the first time, you can register. If you register using my link in the description below, you are going to get bonus on every new tokens or coin KuCoin list. KuCoin is listing, right? And also you get bonus for registering, right? So you can trade this coin we are talking about on KuCoin is already listed on KuCoin and trading on KuCoin. So if you check here on 1 day time frame, if you check my YouTube channel, the last time I dropped analysis on Pump, I told you guys that Pump got listed and immediately Pump started dropping. One of the reasons why Pump dropped, I think it was because of the airdrop, because a lot of people participated in the airdrop. And one thing about this crypto space is if any coin got listed and that coin is being distributed to airdrop hunters, a lot of these airdrop hunters are going to sell. right? Please take.
Mhm.
A lot of these airdrop hunters are going to sell, so the coin is going to drop before it come back and settle. So that was exact thing that happened here. So pump crazily drop, and after pump drop, I told you guys, I told a lot of people on my YouTube or on TikTok and also Twitter and CMC that pump is going to start moving, and from there pump start moving. But I think one of the reason, not I think, you wanted to say something.
Yes, I said I remember we talked about this pump.fund token because it came down crazy. It retraced crazily. So and you
Yes.
said you were going to buy. I wanted to confirm if you actually bought at the time.
Yeah, I bought, and I gave people signals where to buy, where to sell. A lot of people. It's because we are not sharing screen. I would have shown people where analysis. I mean signals that I share. I give to people. But this is the reason why pump actually moved to that price. Oh, this is the reason why pump moved to that price. Sorry. Now, I was on research and I discovered that they have repurchased pump worth of $12 million. They have repurchased pump worth of $12 million. Who purchased it? I don't really know. But like attract the other wallet of the person that is holding the highest Trump coin, we discovered that that person is holding over $6 billion worth of Trump coin. That is the same thing. We are going to track this wallet and know, that particular wallet that is holding, and we also know when they purchased this coin. But the reason why pump is moving like this is because they have repurchased the coin worth of 12 million coin, and that's the reason why you see the coin start moving to
As
this price.
They
You say?
bought, I think they bought $12 million worth of
Yes.
pump.fund.
Yeah, $12 million worth of the coin. That is the reason why the coin start pumping back. And if you check, this movement actually, respect technical analysis. If you check now, the major key level of pump has surpassed the major key level.
Yes, I think it's going
Yes,
to see more eyes here from here
yes.
because
Pump has
it has
surpassed the major key level. Let me mark
it
it
has
here.
it has broken out already.
Yeah, it has
There's a
broken out. It has broken out. So
it can only come back to retest. Then I think it can still go back, but then it has broken up.
exactly. It can only come back to retest, and the retest is at 0.42. So currently it's trading at 0.00, 0.0045, 46,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the retracement is at 0. Let me see, 0.41. So pump can drop down to 0.41 and start moving again. So with what we are seeing here, the next move of pump here is going to be at this price. Let me mark it here. The next move of pump is going to be the next move of pump is going to be at what? Is going to be at 0.059. That is crazy. 0.0599. So for people that get this coin, I bought pump at 24. If you remember, 0.024. So for people that just buy with $100, that enter with $100, then that enter with $100. Hold on, I'm coming. It was 0.0024. They'll be having 41,000 pump. Then so let me just calculate it at this price. At this price, 0.004545. So if you get into pump, as at the time I drop this analysis, you'll be making $187. $187. That's a good amount of money. Good amount of money. So let's say for people that have huge amount of money that invest like $1,000, that invest like $1,000, they are going to be seeing good amount of money like $800 profit on it, right? So we are here to give you guys the reason why pump is moving is because they have repurchased it. They have repurchased worth of $12 million. And from here, I believe the person is going to hold because I know that the person knows what he's doing, and who knows whether it's from the company, right? It's from the project team by themselves that repurchase it, targeting this coin to move back to 0.060 because that is the next skill level, and the next skill level is, which is the previous all-time high is a price of 0.0068. Right, so let's just
68.
say, yeah, 68, that's price. So let's just say the coin has surpassed to that place and you got in at price of those are got in
Do you
at price
think?
for.
Do you think? Do you think do you think this is the right time to move in? If someone is looking at it now, because if you look at it very well, it has pumped consecutively for how many days now? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. For the past 5 days, it has been pumping.
It has been pumping, yeah, for the past
Yeah.
5 days.
So
That's almost
do you
a week.
think some for a week
That's
now?
a week. Yeah, it has been pumping for almost a week. This coin has been pumping, and this is a good one. This is a good one. And if you check Doge, Doge is trading now at price of let's check Doge. And this is the reason why I say that this coin has outperformed Doge. But there is something Doge is doing, and that is the reason why I'm holding Doge. If you check for how many weeks now, Doge is consolidating in just one place. The support level of Doge is at 0.21, 0.021. That's the support level of Doge. So Doge is consolidating in this particular place for how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 weeks, Doge has been consolidating. That is a month. So we are going to enter another month. We are already in another month. So this month, I'm having a feeling that is a month of Doge. Is a month of
Mm.
Doge. Yeah, I'm having a feeling that this is a month of Doge because a good 1 month Doge has been consolidating here. And if you remember, this support level is a retest. This support level is a retest. Doge first broke out. So this place here where Doge is currently is a support level. So from here, Doge is going to continue moving, and that is the reason why I'm still holding Doge and I'm still buying Doge. So Doge is another coin that I can advise people, not a financial advice.
Not
Not
a
a
financial advice.
advice.
It's a technical
Guys,
advice and
but
fundamental advice.
yes, yeah. That's a fundamental advice. So, mm, you can get into Dodge now. Please plug that phone for me. Plug the phone. So, that's a financial. That's not a financial advice. So let's check XRP. Let's check
So,
XRP. And guys,
sorry, I was
all
asking you.
on KuCoin. All these coins are trading on KuCoin, and if you buy Doge now and stake on KuCoin, you are going to be earning reward in KuCoin. And guess what? KuCoin is having they have a demo account whereby if you join them, if you register on KuCoin, they are going to give you a demo account. So in the demo account, you can first trade, like practice and learn how to. Let's say you are a new person in the crypto space, right? You'll be able to learn how to, how to do how to trade, how to understand the market, how to trade on sports. If you want to trade on futures, you would practice all of this before you start entering real market, right? So KuCoin provide that opportunity for you to register, and be their user and make money for yourself. But before making that money, even though you don't know, they give you that opportunity for you to practice. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bro, what do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think? Like, do you think Bitcoin is going to continue rising or is going to continue falling? Because what I'm seeing here on a daytime frame is not really, it's not like it's actually funny. What do you think about Bitcoin? What's your analysis? Do you think
For me,
this month is going to be a month of Bitcoin? Because if you check, the support level of Bitcoin currently is at, hold on, is at $108,000. On a daytime frame, Bitcoin Bitcoin has been consolidating here for 4 days. That is 4 days, almost a week, right? So
yeah,
what do you think? And the resistance here, now this is the resistance again. The resistance is 112,000. The support is $108,000. What is your take? What do you think is going to happen? What do you think Bitcoin is going to do? Please share your ideas, share your understanding, share your fundamental analysis, your technical analysis. Just share everything with us.
yeah, yeah. All right, so we noticed a change in Bitcoin. It fell with 0.8%.
Yes.
So, and the fear and greed index down to 48. So that is neutral. That is the fear and greed chart. All right, it's neutral. So the fear is not high, the greed is not high. There's a
Yes.
balance. All right, so if you check for uh the past 4 weeks, for the past 3 weeks, we have been seeing a downtrend. For the past
Mm.
3 weeks, we have been seeing
Yes.
a downtrend. So it's just this week that we are the market is recovering a little bit. The market is recovering a little bit. And from my chart here, Bollinger Band is telling me that it's still possible for the market to touch 112.
112
Yes, yes. 100
is
and
at 100 currently. Is at
okay,
112
so
1,000 currently.
okay, yeah. Thank you. 103. It's not feasible, but that's what I'm looking at. 103. 103.
Okay.
Because yes, yes. I mean that's according to my chart. I'm seeing. I think market might still come down. Why? Fundamentally, September is not a bullish candle for Bitcoin. That's for fundamentals.
Yeah, I'm with you.
So fundamentals, if I look at that, I think for me, I follow that because history never lies, but then history can change, but then you can learn from it to give you more informed decision. Because if you look at it, the market has ranged for how many weeks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks at that level. 7 weeks at that level.
Okay.
So for me, I just still think we can still see more downside for this month of September. But then that is not actually financial advice, but it's just my own personal analysis. I just still think we can still see more downside. We can still see more downside in the month of September. But then it's not
Okay. For the month of September. All right. So,
yes.
you see, going further.
Yes, I'm still looking at my chart. Although
Okay.
it doesn't look like that. I said it's not financial because it doesn't look like that. But then sometimes I've learned that about one thing about the market is the fact that trend is your friend.
Yes.
Trend is your friend. But sometimes you just have to just go a little bit illogical about it. Because sometimes when a lot of people are shouting boo, 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 be careful. When a lot of people are shouting down, 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 be careful.
Be
You
careful.
understand? So for me,
Yes.
I've just always been trying to edge out against what is public opinion. If public opinion thinks, because people switch from bullish to bearish in a second. Just yesterday you are bullish, but today for just a little news because you are not actually following through. You are not actually following. So if you look at the 1 week time frame, 1 week time frame is telling you that for the past 3 weeks, it has been on red candle. All right. So it's just this week that we have a little bit of relief. And if you have been on red candle for the past 3 weeks, for you to have a relief is just something that is logical now. You cannot suffer forever. After you
Yeah.
suffer for a little bit, you can have, yes, they are going to give you a breathing space. So for you to know what is going to actually happen, I think is on a downtrend and is possibly going to still continue the range downward. Probably it may not touch down, to 103, but then we can still see more downside. It may not come to 103, but then this range is coming back to a range. If you notice, between 103 and 112 is actually a range now,
Yeah.
and it's possible for it's possible for 112 to become a resistance. But then it's possible for it not to be if it breaks back, it will not be a resistance. But then if it doesn't break back, then you may fall into the range of 103 and 1012.
Okay. Okay. So at the same time, let's drop because this live session remains 30 minutes. 30 minutes is still long, but let's drop a question and answer, which is Q&A for people to anyone that have question that want to ask question will be able to ask. Oh, oh, where can I see Q&A here? All right. Okay, hold on. Bro, there's no Q&A here.
Like there's a chat now. The chat is there. If you have a question, you can just drop it at the chat. That's how we say it.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is it. If you have any question, just drop it. Just drop it in the comment section below. Just drop it in the comment section below and make sure you following us. All right, guys. So, as we're
So
discussing
I was going to ask you before we left that conversation. I didn't forget. I
okay.
was saying, is it the right time to go into pump? Looking at the fact that it has pumped for 5 days now, is it a good time to go into that coin, or you should just relax and let the market breathe a little bit?
Yeah, that's a good question that I know a lot of people will ask. Yes, a lot of people will ask why, because pump has already pumped. Pump has already pump has already pumped. But there is something which we are going to look out for in pump. So if you check in our analysis, the major key level of pump is at 0.40. 0.40. And there's a breakout, right? So
Yes.
we're talking about breakouts. Now, this is on a daytime frame. Now, let's go back to 4 hours time frame. If you check on 4 hours time frame here, if you check the net type, the breakout, there are two breakouts there. There are two breakouts here on 4
Yeah.
hours. The first breakout is, you know, is the neck of a double bottom. Pump actually creates a double bottom. And double bottom is a candlestick pattern, it's a reversal candlestick pattern, right? So pump creates a double bottom, double bottom pattern. Now, the first breakout is the neck of it, which is double pattern is W, right? For the sake of this live session, I would have loved to do, a little bit. Wait, what's this? Sorry, hold on. Let me hold this. I'm looking for something that I will give them practical because they are going to join this live session again. They are going to learn. Wait. Hold on. All right. So For those that don't understand, a double bottom form like this. Double bottom form like this. Double bottom form like this. Is W, right? So this is W. It's not W. Then this place here is neck. This place you see here, where I cycle here, that is the neck. So what happened here is we are going to set up tools whereby we'll be showing you guys this on the screen. But for now, let's be doing it like this, right? So when it comes to pump analysis, the first breakout of pump was in this neck, and the second breakout of pump was the second breakout of pump is up, 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 up after the leg, close to the leg, close to the leg, close to the leg. So that is the second breakout, and also key level. So let's say this place also serve as key level, and the leg of this double bottom also serve as key level, right? So the first breakout here happened, and the second breakout here, this key level did not happen as breakout. So that is where pump is. So currently I'm seeing pump dropping back to the price of 0.04. So for now, I will not advise anyone, or me myself, I will not buy pump. The one that I've already sold. I've already taken my profit, right? So I'm waiting for a breakout, for a retest, because any coin that break out must do what? Must retest. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting for a retest of pump. From there, I'm going to buy. Where am I waiting for a retest? I'm waiting for a retest in this neck, in the neck here. That is where I'm waiting for a retest. So currently, I will not advise anyone to buy pump. The fact that pump is moving, I will not advise anyone to buy. But once pump drop back to the neck of the double bottom, you should enter the market, because from there, the next place, the next key level we are expecting, or the next place we are expecting pump to move is at 0.058. 0.058. Yeah, that is where we are expecting pump to move next. So I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, that's a good analysis. I just felt fundamentally nothing. Most of my own personal analysis are always fundamentals. Technical is very important too, but when you look at something that's born for like 5 days, 6 days, what are you
Yes,
expecting? It's
sure.
just definitely it has to, even though it's still going to go or fire up, it has to rest. It's just a
Yes.
natural stuff. Yeah,
Anything that go up must come down.
sure, sure, sure.
Must come down. That's the law of what?
That's the law
Science.
of gravity.
All right, guys. So Pump is trading on KuCoin, right? Pump is trading on KuCoin. And if you're trading on KuCoin, you're gonna get some bonus. So our KuCoin link is in the comment section below. If you use it, you are going to be getting bonus and also getting reward for using our all referral bonus, right? So we are yet to talk about XRP. These are the coins, and these are the assets that we say pump above them. So let's look at XRP. Let's look at what XRP is doing. So yeah, I forgot to add something that Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is still going to drop. Because according to what I'm seeing here,
Are you
it,
are you seeing it too?
yeah, yeah. According to what I'm seeing here, because let me go on a month time frame and see what is going to happen. Okay, okay. So on a month time frame, we see that zone, Bitcoin consolidate, drop down for like a month. In the month of August, on a month time frame, the month of August, Bitcoin actually dropped down to that price. And then From there, it's peak. Bitcoin peak from there again. We see a bullish market from here that was $108,000 and then to $112,000 currently. So I'm still expecting another candlestick down. But wait, if this happens, then that means Bitcoin and Dogecoin is going to switch.
Really?
Yeah, Dogecoin will be moving. The time that Dogecoin will be rising, Bitcoin may be down. Bitcoin may be down. But anyway, it's a good time to buy Dogecoin, and it's not a good time to invest in Bitcoin. And as a matter of fact, there are some coins that people are holding now. They should sell them, right? You should sell them. Most of your coins that you know very well that the market news of Bitcoin affects them, right? If you know that if any news about Bitcoin affects this particular coin, you should sell them because Bitcoin is still going to drop. It's still going to drop. So I
So
just think that
probably on our, I will just take a note. Maybe on a later life, we are going to do some distinguishes among tokens that tend to follow Bitcoin's trend. There are some tokens that they are just like Bitcoin in nature. Whatever
yeah,
happens to Bitcoin happens to them. And if you are not careful about them, you just buy them. And when you say, what's going on? Bitcoin, but then it's because you don't know that some coins actually follow the trend of Bitcoin. So probably
Bitcoin.
not today, but then we're going to talk about how to separate about how to know how you can go about knowing the difference between coins that follow trend of Bitcoin and those that can just perform on their own without. Because even if you notice, when Ethereum was flying, Bitcoin wasn't flying.
Yes,
Ethereum
yes,
was just flying on its own. It was just moving, right? So that's the same thing that we were talking about. There are some coins that don't, but there are some coins. If Bitcoin drop 2%, they will drop 50%. If Bitcoin drop just 2%, bam, yeah, your asset will just you will just be looking at your $1,000 at $200. All right, so I just say we should. I just want us to take a mental note of that, so that just in case, we can talk about it in one of the live session.
okay, yeah, we are going to do that. We are going to do that. We are really, really going to do that. So let's look at this coin, XRP, bro. I really, I really messed up myself on XRP.
You can let that go already. Please, let's focus that you have messed up already.
I messed myself up on XRP because I knew that XRP is going to move. Like I knew this that XRP is going to move. Now, I bought XRP at $2, right? At $2. Now I have opportunity to buy XRP at $2. No, not even $2. No, 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 no. $1, 90 cents, 96 cents. But I sold it back. Do you know why I sold it?
Why?
I sold XRP because if you check the movement of XRP in 2024, in November 2024, from 40
Okay.
to from 49 cents. Now, one of my friends bought XRP, started buying XRP from 34 cents. He bought again at 48 cents. He bought again massively at 50 cents. Now, I was not following him to buy. Now, there was a crazy pump. That was news, right? That was news that made XRP to move to that level. XRP moved from 50 cents straight to where? Straight to $2, $2.59. It
From
then
50 cents.
retraced. It then retraced small, a little bit, and moved again to $3.30. Retraced again and moved straight to what? move straight to $3.36. I mean 56 cents. Now, when XRP moved from this 50 cents to that two point something cents, I felt that this is a news, and in most cases it's happened like this. When a coin follow news, move by news, it's not a normal movement of the market of that particular asset, right?
Mm.
So it must come back and retest. It must come back
Mm.
and retest. So if you see a market move here, if you see a market, a coin, for example, XRP move, this is 1 week time frame. And from how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From complete 5 weeks, that is 1 month and 1 week. XRP stand up with a bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick moving. Now, any coin that move like this by news, that coin is going to crash down. It's going to drop. It's going to drop completely down. But guess what? It's going to peak again. It's going to
Mm.
peak again. So what I was thinking is, I was expecting XRP to come back, because if you check XRP has created an imbalance candlestick. That imbalance, it come back and fill it, but not the way I was expecting. Now,
Mm.
again, XRP created an imbalance candlestick again. Now, I was expecting XRP to come back and fill that imbalance. That imbalance was at
Mm.
$1.43. So I bought XRP at $1.90, 96 cents, but I sold it expecting XRP to drop down to $1.43.
Wow.
So before you know, I started seeing XRP moving. I see XRP started moving. Now, if you check, if you use um, trend line, go back to the previous high, draw that line from the previous high, you will see that XRP was actually trading, was actually, was actually kind of giving me that signal of my analysis. But at the same time, there is what I forget to, to consider. I forget to consider that there is a very strong key level. I mean, there's a very strong support level at that same place. So what I was supposed to do, I was supposed to take risk to buy. That if XRP drop again, I will lose, but I will not really lose much. But if it move, I will gain more. Do you understand? If it
Yeah.
move, I will gain more. So that was the mistake I did. I did not really consider that. And then I see a breakout. I see a breakout of XRP at $2.52. And I bought, but I got discouraged. I say, bro, like, because because I met XRP at $1.90, and then me buying XRP at $2.50, 52 cents. It was not making sense to me. That look at the coin that I saw it's very low price, but I was expecting it to drop again. Now look at what
And
happened.
one thing is that if you had bought at that point, you would have still made a profit.
Would
But
have made a profit.
the fact is that, and I think this also affects some traders, and it affects me as well. When we miss out on a move, and we don't tend to want to quickly do some other we don't tend to want to do quick analysis and say, is it still the right time? Can I still get in? Maybe it was going to do like 100% and it has moved like 20%. You still have 80% to gain. I don't know if you
Yes,
understand me.
yes.
So probably when you miss the move, you would have just like go like, since your original plan was there, you would, and that's one of the things I've included in my trade as well. If I miss out on a move, that doesn't mean I've lost 100%. that coin can still later give you like 50% that is still remaining there. But then once a coin starts rising, we feel like it has gone. It can, just like what pump.fun is doing now. So people will look
Yeah,
at it and say that, oh, there's opportunity in pump.fun. Let me look at a way I can still come into the market. Let me make analysis. And some people will just they will just forget about it. They will now come back and see pump.fun at one. They will not say, and I see this thing at 4 cents, so I did not buy. But it's
exactly.
because it moved a little and you felt that result. That is not all. That is not
Exactly.
all.
Yes, 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 yes. So, and if I should buy XRP, then again, guess what? I will make a profit of $1.10 by XRP. By
Can you
XRP.
see?
Yes.
If you are bought after it moved, right?
Yes, 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 yes. But I did not get in. I went to buy Doge and Solana.
But
And I made profit on Doge, but
of-
there was a place I was still expecting Doge, although I'm still expecting Doge. Doge
there's
is not.
always wait, do you notice that there's always a place for you? You always find it. There's always a place. Always a place where they always want to make market. And that's one thing. And that is why it is the market. I don't know if you get that. That's one of the things I don't like to move. The market is crazy. And it's only the crazy ones that can eat in this market. I think so.
Sure, 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 sure. Bro, that was actually crazy. And I made profit on Doge, but there was a place I was still expecting. I was
Hmm.
expecting Doge to get to that place. I guess what?
Uh-huh.
Doge, bro, on Doge, I still messed up. Why? Because
Ah.
I knew very well that this is the first key level of Doge. It's going to retrace. But I don't want what happened to me on XRP to repeat on Doge. That was the reason why I did not sell. Because I bought XRP and I sold it back. And the next day, bam, the coin has skyrocketed. So I
Mhm.
never wanted what happened to me on XRP to repeat itself on Doge. So I
Mhm.
left it. And guess what? The market even go against me. But because I'm not trading it on futures, I'm trading it on spot and also for a long time. Yeah, I'm still expecting something huge. Now I'm not losing it. I'm not losing. The market has come back, and just small profit that I'm making on Doge, but there is a particular place that I'm expecting, and that's the reason why this particular month is a month of fasting and prayer for Doge.
What is it? What is the title of the revival? My Dodge must move.
Ah! Allow that to go.
Let my Dodge go.
Let my Doge go. So but this month prayer and fasting is for Doge. It's for Doge. It's actually for Doge. Let my Doge go. Let my Doge
let,
go. Let my Doge go.
let my Dodge go. Set my Dodge free and let it go.
Take my Doge.
Set,
Let my Doge go.
set my
So
Dodge free and let my
so
Dodge go.
good coin. XRP is a good coin. So but still XRP is going to drop. Currently XRP is at it's trading as $2 48 no 60 86 cents. But guess what?
Two
Guess
dollar
what?
86 cents. Yeah.
It's trading below. Now, this is where I'm expecting XRP to come back. I'm expecting XRP to come back to $2.60, right? At least from $2.60 and $2.44. These are the places that I want XRP. I'm expecting XRP to drop again. See, straight up, this is it. Let me mark this place. $2.40. This is where XRP is going to drop.
$2.40.
Yes, $2.44. No, 44 cents.
I think we should just make it an area because if
47.
eh?
Yes, yes, that is the area that is going to drop.
Yes, because
This
if you go and choose a place, that your place,
so
markets go
see what
just
is going see what is going to happen. At this place where I mark here is going to be a sharp entry of XRP. It's going to be a very sharp entry. This price of $2.4447 44.47 44.47 is going to be a sharp entry that XRP is going to pick, right? So from there, anything can happen. At least it will move back to $3. From there, it's going to be the first take profit, and the profit is going to make sense. The profit is going to make sense, right? If you buy with reasonable amount of money. But you see this place here, XRP must drop here. XRP must drop here. This one is financial advice. Why? Because
this one is this one is financial advice. So
that is financial advice because see something, eh? Let me mark it. Let me mark it on long years. See what is gonna happen. See what is going to happen. The reason why I say it's a financial advice is because if you keep your money, this buy here is a long time buy and it's so down, right? So if you keep your money down till SRP did not get there and start rising back, you did not lose your money. You did not lose.
mm,
Yes, you did not
mm,
lose. So, but if peradventure you keep your XRP, you enter your position to buy at that price, and you get into XRP at $2.44 or $2.47, there is no way XRP is going to drop below that. It's not really possible, except a big news just come and overwhelm it, and overwhelm it, and overwhelm it. But from there, you buy from there no matter what is happening. See, if you check, no matter what fundamental analysis make a market, make a coin behave, and it must respect technical analysis. It must respect technical analysis. Except it's not a solid asset, except it's not a solid coin. It must at least you see a sharp candlestick that will go back and respect that, maybe like any of the technical, maybe like what they call key level. You see the candlestick will go down, pop, I will just pick. If you check that sharp candlestick go and respect technical analysis.
mm.
That sharp candlestick go back and respect technical analysis. So no matter how a news make a coin to behave, it's going to respect technical analysis for sure. It's going to respect technical analysis. That's what I've noticed. That's what I noticed. Sometimes this technical analysis of the thing, not sometimes. And if you have been in this crypto space for a while, you will, without taking analysis, you should be able to understand from experience. Understand from experience how the market move. Just carry your chart and study it. You'll be able to understand how the market is moving, and stuff like that. Man, so we have discussed a lot. We cover a lot. We cover, pump. I will tell you guys to invest in pump and why you should invest in pump and when you should buy pump. We talk about XRP. We talk about DOGE coin. We are supposed to talk about some other project like that, but time has gone, and you
Can we
can
round up?
are
Can
trading.
we round up?
Sorry, all of these coins are trading on kucoin. So if you register with our link, you are going to get bonus, right? Register our link, you are going to get bonus, right? So, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yeah, you have something to say. Let's say something before.
Yes, I mean, pretty much. I will be looking out for pump.fun, and I will be sure to
Okay.
check it out on. Yes, I'll be sure to check it out on KuCoin. Secondly, I was just saying we should round off with World Liberty Finance. I mean, we have maybe
Okay.
even
Oh. I totally forget about that. Yeah, you can discuss on that. You can discuss on that, please.
yes. So World Liberty Finance presently, I think
It's
it's
also trading, yet, guys. I mean, it's also trading on kucoin. World Liberty Finance is also trading on kucoin, right? Yeah, bro, go on.
so we have an extreme drop on World Liberty Finance because of some for this just in some blacklisting. So the thing is just I just still think all this drama is going to go. The fundamental analysis, the fundamentals behind World Liberty Finance is what I'm looking at. Eric
Okay.
Trump is here. Eric Trump is here for a very long time. Donald
Yeah,
Trump is still have a long time. So
yeah,
you never can tell what news is going to come up again, and this coin that is so cheap now is going to come. This is just my personal opinion. All right, I just
yeah,
feel it's just going to do something that is going to, it just happens that bam, it moves again. So I'm just saying that though the coin may not be behaving well now, but that doesn't mean that coin is dead. So I mean, there are a lot of noise. There are a lot of noises about it, and that's why we can see that it dropped, and since it listed, it has not performed as Digens expected it to. But that doesn't mean it's not going to perform. It's definitely going to perform. Definitely going to perform. I can say that. But this is for those that are investors and those that are patient. It's just still the same thing with XRP. XRP for me, the fundamentals and the use case scenario for XRP is very strong. I am big on that project as well because I know it's one of those projects that this one is surely going to trade. It's still going to trade at $5 and above. This XRP still going to do that. All right. I'm just saying that to say, okay, there shouldn't be FUD for what is it called now? World Liberty Finance because of the
yeah.
present state. It's still going to do well, I believe. So, guys, signing out from here.
All right. So thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. I think we spent over I think this is going to an hour that we spent on this live session. That is a good one. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. This is 57 second 57 minutes
57 minutes.
and some seconds. So let us complete 1 hour. So, guys, we are counting to complete 1 hour on the live session. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys for joining. Oh, we can complete 1 hour, bro. This you are still ready 2 minutes. No, no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Of course. No,
We-
no, no. Why not? We can complete 1 hour. Why not?
Okay. Let me quickly share this. Let me quickly share this. Oh, there's something I want to share here. I want to check and share with them. Real quick. Please, guys, stay with us, stay with us. I'm trying to share the link. Do you see the link there?
The link to KuCoin.
Yeah,
I can't find it
I'm checking
here
it. I'm not seeing it. Do you see it anywhere?
on the chat.
Uh,
I click on live chat now, but I can't. Some messages stop chat.
do you see it?
No, I can't find it. I
I,
can't even.
actually,
Yeah, I mean,
I drop it in the description, and I can't even see it here. So like maybe like I will pin it, or something like that. Let me check. It's not. It's not. XP. All right, so we complete. Sorry, we actually complete 1 hour here on this live. So, guys, thank you. We're gonna sign out. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Don't forget
Boss.
to subscribe.
Swally. Okay
Thank
now.
you, boss.
Yeah, bro.